Most Ford owners I deal with barely use half of what their vehicle can actually do. They come in, spend money on accessories, complain about little daily problems, and never realize the car already had functions that could have made ownership easier from the start. So in this video, I'm going to show you the hidden Ford functions most drivers never learn. Let's begin. Number 1. Global window open with the key fob. A lot of Ford owners still walk up to a baking hot car, open one door, and sit there waiting for the heat to leave the cabin when the car already gave them a better way to deal with that. On many Ford models, holding the unlock button on the key fob for at least 3 seconds will drop all the windows at once. And on some vehicles it can also vent the moonroof or sunroof. That matters more than it sounds. In summer, the inside of a parked vehicle gets miserable fast. If you can crack the whole cabin open before you even reach the door, the car becomes instantly more livable. That is especially useful on things like an Explorer, Edge, Mustang, or F-150 sitting in the sun while you are coming out of the gym, the store, or a job site. What I like about this function is that it solves a real annoyance in 2 seconds. No menu diving, no app, no extra hardware, no subscription. Just use the remote properly. And almost nobody does. A lot of owners have had the feature for years and never once tried it, which is exactly why these videos matter. People spend money tinting harder, adding sunshades, or buying cheap vent gadgets without first learning what the car already does. The only catch is that availability depends on the model and setup, so I would never tell people to assume every Ford does it the same way. But if your vehicle supports it, this is one of the simplest hidden functions in the whole lineup and one of the easiest to benefit from immediately. Number 2. Easy Fuel Capless Filler. Ford made fueling simpler years ago, and plenty of owners still manage to overcomplicate it. Easy Fuel gets rid of the traditional gas cap and lets you insert the nozzle directly into the filler neck. That sounds small until you remember how many people still drop caps, leave them hanging, get dirt around the cap area, or fight with a system that Ford already simplified. This is one of those functions people stop noticing because it feels normal once you live with it, but it is still genuinely useful. On daily driver Fords like the Escape, Explorer, Edge, Maverick, or F-150, it makes refueling quicker and cleaner. You get out, fuel up, and leave. No cap to twist off, no cap to rehang, no chance of driving away with it loose or damaged. It also fits the kind of owner who uses the vehicle constantly and does not want little repetitive annoyances. That is why I rate it higher than people expect. Hidden functions do not always have to be dramatic. Sometimes the best ones are the ones that quietly remove friction from ownership every single week. The other reason it belongs in a video like this is because a surprising number of drivers still do not trust it. They see no cap and assume something is missing. It is not. Ford designed it that way. Once you understand that, it stops feeling unusual and starts feeling like one of those features that should have become standard everywhere much sooner. Number 3. Mikey. If a Ford owner tells me there are no useful hidden functions in the vehicle, that usually means they have never set up Mikey. This one is actually practical because it lets you program a key with restrictions and safety settings instead of handing the full car over to another driver and hoping for the best. Ford's own setup allows you to create a Mikey through the vehicle menu, and Ford also says the feature can limit things like top speed and maximum audio volume. That is useful in more situations than people think. Yes, parents with teenage drivers are the obvious example, but it is also smart for shared family vehicles, employee use, valet situations, or any case where you do not want the other person driving the car with zero limits. Ford also notes that when a Mikey is detected, lane keeping defaults to on and alert mode on supported vehicles, which is exactly the kind of detail most owners never bother learning. The reason I like this feature is because it prevents stupid problems before they become expensive ones. One speeding ticket, one driver abusing the car, one person blasting around in your Explorer or Mustang like it is theirs, and suddenly you remember you should have controlled access better. Most owners never touch Mikey because they assume it is just a teen driver gimmick. It is not. It is one of the few hidden Ford functions that can actually change how the car gets used in the real world. Number 4. Auto Hold. Most owners who have auto hold either leave it off forever because they never learned it, or leave it on without realizing when it actually helps. Ford's own description is simple. Once the vehicle comes to a complete stop, auto hold keeps it there until you press the accelerator. That is useful in stop-and-go traffic, long lights, and uphill waits where you are tired of holding the brake the whole time. Where it becomes a genuinely good hidden function is in daily comfort. In an Explorer, Mach-E, Edge, or other Ford that sees city driving, it removes one of the most repetitive little annoyances of ownership. You stop, the car stays put, and you are not constantly balancing your foot on the pedal. On inclines, it is even better because it gives you that extra second to move cleanly from brake to throttle instead of doing that clumsy little shuffle a lot of drivers still do. The reason most people miss the value is that it does not look exciting on a spec sheet, but this is exactly the kind of feature that improves the car every week if you drive in traffic a lot. You do not need a subscription, you do not need an accessory, and you do not need to buy anything after delivery. You just need to know the function exists and use it properly. Number 5. 360-degree camera. A lot of Ford owners think the 360 camera is just for parking, and that is selling it short. Ford says the system uses cameras on the front, sides, and rear to give you a clear view around the vehicle. That already matters in something like a Bronco, F-150, Explorer, or Expedition, because the bigger the vehicle gets, the easier it is to misjudge something small and stupid. The real value is how much money this can save in dumb damage. Curbed wheels, front bumper scrapes, trailer misalignment, clipping something low in a parking garage, brushing a post in a drive-thru. All of that happens because people rely on guesswork when the car is literally offering them more visibility. This gets even more useful on off-road-oriented Fords because Ford's 360-degree system on vehicles like the Bronco also supports off-road views, which means you can see placement better when the hood and front corners are working against you. That is why I rate it so highly in a video like this. It is not some fancy extra that looks good in a brochure and then gets forgotten. It helps with the kind of daily mistakes that actually cost people money. One scratched wheel or one bumper repaint can cost more than the effort it takes to start using the camera properly every day. Number 6. Rear Occupant Alert. This is one of those functions people do not think about until the day they actually need it. Ford's Rear Occupant Alert is designed to remind the driver to check the back seats after a trip when the rear doors were opened at the start of the journey. On supported vehicles, Ford says you can enable or disable it through the sync screen, and some setups can use an alert and horn. What makes it worth including is that it is quietly practical. This is not just for parents with small kids. It also matters for pets, groceries, bags, work gear, or anything you throw in the second row and forget about when you are rushing. A lot of modern driving is distraction. Phone calls, errands, kids talking, traffic, appointments, somebody texts you, and suddenly the thing you put in the back is out of your head. That is exactly the kind of situation where a reminder system earns its place. And unlike a lot of features owners never touch, this one does not ask much from you. It just adds one more layer of awareness to the part of ownership where human beings are most likely to be careless. Routine. Ford built it because people forget things in real life, not because it sounds impressive in marketing. That is exactly the kind of hidden function more owners should know about. Number 7. Drive modes people never learn properly. A lot of Ford owners spin that dial once, leave the vehicle in whatever mode feels fine, and never think about it again. That is a waste because Ford's drive modes are not cosmetic. Ford says the system changes things like throttle response, shifting behavior, steering, traction control logic, and other vehicle dynamics depending on the mode and the model. On vehicles with terrain management, the point is to match the vehicle to the surface instead of forcing one setup to do everything. That matters because the difference is not theoretical. In a Bronco, for example, Ford's GOAT modes vary by trim and include things like sand, slippery, eco, normal, sport, mud ruts, rock crawl, or Baja, depending on setup. In an Explorer, Ford has also offered multiple drive modes, such as normal, eco, sport, tow, haul, slippery, trail, and deep snow sand, depending on version. Owners who never bother learning what those modes actually do are usually the same people complaining that the truck or SUV feels awkward in conditions it was already built to handle better. The practical value is simple. If the road is slick, use the mode designed to calm the vehicle down. If you are in soft sand, stop asking the normal road setup to save you. If you are towing, use the mode intended to manage that load properly. Most people do not need more features. They need to stop ignoring the ones they already bought. Number 8. Flex bed slots and hidden bed functionality on Maverick. The Maverick is one of the few trucks where a lot of owners miss value simply because they never really look at how the bed was designed. Ford built Flex Bed around the idea that the owner could reconfigure the bed with simple DIY-friendly setups, dividers, tie-down points, and accessory mounting instead of treating it like one empty box for everything. That is exactly why this deserves a spot in a video like this. This is useful because the average Maverick owner is not hauling the same thing every day. One week it is tool bags and materials. The next week it is bikes, storage bins, garden stuff, or random house-run cargo. Once you start using the bed slots and simple bed organization ideas properly, the truck stops feeling like a place where everything slides into everything else. That is the kind of small change that makes a compact truck far more practical without spending serious money. This is an inference based on Ford's flex bed concept and the truck's intended configurable cargo design. And that is why I like it more than a lot of flashier truck mods. It fits the Maverick perfectly. You are not pretending it is a bigger truck than it is. You are using the design Ford already gave it in the way it was meant to be used. That is usually where the smartest ownership starts. Number 9. Pro Power Onboard tricks. Most owners leave unused. A lot of people hear Pro Power Onboard and think it is just a showroom talking point. It is not. Ford describes it as built-in exportable power that can run tools and devices from the truck itself, and on the F-150 Lightning, Ford specifically says you can plug in devices in the cab, the bed, and the Mega Power frunk. Ford's support pages also frame it as a way to keep equipment powered while the truck is parked in a safe, ventilated area. The reason this ends up so high on the list is that owners massively underuse it. They think in terms of nice emergency backup and stop there, when the smarter use is all the little real-life stuff: charging battery tools, running lights, powering inflators, using gear at a campsite, or getting through a power cut without dragging out a separate generator. Ford has even described Pro Power Onboard on the Ranger PHEV as a mobile power source that can run tools and equipment on a job site or things like a fridge and lights on a campsite. That is why this function matters. It replaces clutter, extra equipment, and bad improvisation. A lot of owners spend money solving a problem the truck had already solved for them. When a feature can save you buying, storing, fueling, and maintaining another machine, that is not a gimmick. That is one of the few modern truck functions that genuinely earns its place. Number 10. Zone lighting, approach lighting. A lot of Ford owners treat vehicle lighting like it only matters while driving, and that is why they miss one of the most useful functions on the truck. Ford's zone lighting and approach lighting systems are not there to look clever on a brochure. They are there to make the vehicle more usable when it is dark, and on trucks like the F-150, that means real everyday value. Ford says zone lighting can illuminate areas around the vehicle, and the F-150 can also offer box lighting for the bed. That matters the first time you are unloading gear at night, looking for tools in the bed, checking straps on a trailer, backing up to a gate, or just trying not to step in mud next to the truck. Most owners solve that badly. They use their phone flashlight, buy cheap stick-on LEDs, or drag around some rechargeable light that is never charged when they need it. Meanwhile, the truck already has a cleaner solution built into it. What makes this function better than people expect is that it saves time in exactly the kind of moments where owners usually get careless. Darkness is when people scratch paint, drop tools, misload cargo, miss a strap, or back into something stupid because they cannot see properly. Better light around the truck reduces all of that. On work trucks, camping setups, hunting trips, roadside stops, and even basic home use, it turns the vehicle into a more practical tool instead of just a machine you parked in the dark. That is why I would rank it this high. It is not dramatic, but you use it in real life. And those are usually the best Ford functions. Not the ones that sound impressive online, but the ones that make the truck easier to live with the moment conditions stop being perfect.